G'day guys, welcome to Cap Industries. My name's Russell. Today we're doing the installation video for the GWM Tank 300, but this will also suit the Canon with the manual seats. The installation is really easy. It just requires you to remove the two front seat bolts, lift the seat up and place the bracket under, then bolt your extinguisher onto the bracket. The extinguisher I'm going to install today is this little one here that we sell on the website. It's a 1 kilo with a hose. It's perfect for those off-roading adventures or just the general day-to-day traffic. The advantage of a hose is that you can direct it, perhaps opening the bonnet without really bringing a lot of oxygen into the bay. You can just crack the bonnet and spray the hose inside. Or if you've got a grass fire because of something caught underneath the vehicle, you can get in there and hose it out on the chassis. Perfect system for those small fires. Or if you're out camping and you've got a little fat fire going, good way to save that vehicle. So let's go do this bracket installation. Tools required to install the bracket is a T50 Torx bit and a couple of 8mm spanners. You simply remove the two front factory seat bolts, these T50 Torx bits here and there. The best thing to do is to always install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket before you bolt it all in. And our bracket comes with two M5 high tensile nuts, bolts and washers that you then attach the extinguisher cage to. And if possible, I always mount the extinguisher so that the handles of the extinguisher are over towards the transmission tunnel. And as you can see, the bracket has a series of slots. You can mount it anywhere along. I try to get it as far that way as possible, but also just make sure that you put it in a position where it doesn't interfere with the seat. And just tighten them up with those 8mm spanners. Then after the cage is installed on the bracket, then, as we see, lift up the front of the seat, slip the bracket back till it clicks in place and put the factory seat bolts back in. Then just tighten them up, ensuring that you're not cross-threading them. Then install the extinguisher into its cage. Job done. Looks great. As you can see, it doesn't interfere at all with the seat movement back. Really, such a simple way to install a fire extinguisher, but you're not drilling, you're not modifying, you're not hurting your car. If you want to remove it, when you sell it, take it straight out, sell it on the forums. It's such a great little way to have that peace of mind. And you know what they always say, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So thanks so much for watching. If you don't have a GWM Canon or a Tank, well, we make so many other brackets and they're all made right here in Melbourne. So thank you very much for your support and see you on the next one.